Welcome back to Topper's World. Here I am going to solve a reading passage. The questions are true, false, not given, and I have selected a book. The book name is Barron's Isles. I have chosen Model Test 2 and I'm going to solve passage 3, true, false, not given. Passage 3 is usually considered the hardest passage, so I have chosen this. And the true, false, not given type questions are there 29 to 34. Let me read questions first. Dioscorides' book De Martyria Medica fell out of use after 60 AD. So here the names is tough to speak. So just you can say D book DMM fell out of use after 60 AD. After 60 AD that book was not used. Uh, Mandragora was used as an anesthetic during Middle Ages. During the Middle Ages, that book was used as a anesthetic. Anesthetic is a kind of medicine or medicine that was given to the patient to make them unconscious. Nitrous oxide can cause the user to both laugh and cry. This is a chemical that was used to make patient laugh and cry. During the second half of the 19th century, 19th century second half means after 1850, 1850 between 1850 to 1900. So during the second half of 19th century, most dentists use anesthesia. So most of the dentists who used to cure teeth or root up teeth, they used anesthesia. Sorry. Anesthesiologists in the United States are required to have 12 years education and training. So they need to have 12-year education and training experience to become an anesthesiologist. There are fewer anesthesiologists in the United States now than in the past. So these are the 6 questions, very easy. Language is easy, but now we have to find the answer of these questions through the passage. So let me first read the question, first question again. This book and Dioscorides book. The book name is, this is the writer, the book name is De Martyria Medica, fell out of use after 60 AD. So that book people stopped using or doctors stopped using after 60 AD. So there was a 16 AD, the key word. The since beginning of the time, man has sought natural remedies for pain. Between 14 and 16 AD, Greek physician Dioscorides traveled with Roman armies. So during this period, he traveled, studying the medicinal properties of plants and minerals. His book De Materia Medica, written in 5 volumes and translated into at least 7 languages, was the primary reference source for physicians for over 16 centuries. So the physicians used that book for 16 centuries. And our statement says that after 16 AD they stopped using this book. 16 AD is referred over here to tell that the writer of this book traveled during this period. This is the traveling period. There has nothing to do with the statement like that after 1680 they stopped using. They used book for 16 centuries, means 1600 years. So our first answer is false. So first is false. I wrote false there. Second is mandragora was used as an anesthetic during Middle Ages. To Middle Ages, the keyword, and mandragora was the keyword. The word mandragora mentioned in second paragraph here. The mandragora, now known as the mandrake plant, was one of the first plants to be used as an anesthetic. So people used that plant to make patient unconscious. Due to apparent screaming that plant made as it was pulled out from the ground, people in Middle Ages believed, so Middle Ages word is here, believed that the person who removed the mandrake from the earth would either die or go insane. This superstition may have resulted because split root mandrake resembled for the human form. So come back here. Due to apparent screaming, the plant made uh, as it was pulled out from the ground. People in Middle Ages. So people in Middle Ages believed that mandragora having some properties which could make patients unconscious. So they used it as an aesthetic. So this answer is true. Answer number second is true. 31st question is nitrous oxide can cause the user to both laugh and cry. So our keyword was here nitrous oxide. We got that in next page, and let me read it. More commonly known as laughing gas. This is also known as laughing gas. Humphrey Davy, the inventor of miner's lamp, discovered that inhaling toxic compound caused strange euphoria, followed by fits of laughter, tears, and sometimes unconsciousness. So this is the gas that make us laugh, make us cry. So answer is true. So answer to third question is true. During the second half of the 19th century, most dentists used anesthesia. So scientists used anesthesia after 1850 and till 19. Let us read here. Yes, Horace Wells was the first on record to experiment with laughing gas, which he used in 1844. So 1844 is a first half of the 19th century to relieve pain during the tooth extraction. And in this full paragraph, there is no other mentioning of uh, beyond 1850 they used anesthesia or any kind of like that. So answer to this question is not given because they mentioned only laughing gas that was used in 1844. 33rd question is anesthesiologist. They are the person who practice anesthesia in the United States are required to have 12 years of education and training. So we have to search United States and 12 years, something like that. So the main word is here in next para. Anesthesiologists today are classified as physicians, meaning that they take care of patient before, during the surgical procedure. It takes over 8 years of schooling and 4 years of residency until an anesthesiologist is prepared to practice in the United States. So we got United States and total 8 year in schooling and 4 year of residency. That is mean 12 years training and experience is needed. So answer is true. So this answer stands here true. There are fewer anesthesiologists in United States now than in the past. This answer is in last paragraph. The number of anesthesiologists in United States has more than doubled since the 1970s. So more than double. Presently they have more than double. It means that the anesthesiologist increased. So as per the information given in the passage, this is false. Mostly we believe that where the comparisons are done that are not given, but here this is exceptional case and we have to verify the answers in the passage. We should not blindly think that where the than or comparisons are given that will be not given. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you will get proper understanding of how to find out true false not given. Thank you.